If you want a sequence number, something like this, 1 to 100, and start from 1, 3, and up to 100 row, and another increase by 5, 1, 6, and 1, 11. So let me show you a quick way to do that. Just delete. So we don't need 5, 1, 2, and drag. So let's do this instead. Just type for sequence, okay, and then put number of the row you want. For example, I want 100 row or 1000 row, comma, column, skip it, and where we start the number. For example, one start with number 1, and comma, stop, increase by how many? So increase by 1, by this. Okay, so see, you got it, 100 row. So let's just try here. Sorry, try here. So what you got here, 100 row or 1000 row. Let's start here, 1, 6, increase by 5. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. Please like, share, comment. See you next video.